history of Bartholet Manufacturing Systems Engineering SA started as a one-man business and is characterized by continuous growth. On closer inspection, it is obvious what this success is based on. A Swiss family-run business strongly related to its local origin and its continuous development. The three main pillars are Swiss quality, innovation, and design. Anton Bartholet, aged 81, the founder and father of the current CEO Roland Bartholet, still tends to business daily.
Am 1962 habe ich angefangen mit einer Reparatur.
In 1962, I opened a repair shop for agricultural engines. Later, I started to produce tenders and wood splitters. The first job concerning ropeways was the maintenance of a funicular holder of the old chairlift Bartholet Maschinenbau in Flums.
Die stammt vom 1952 genau.
Gradually, the small workshop turned into a bigger production plant. In 1997, this continuous expansion with additional business partners led to the current structure. Under the direction of Roland Bartholet, 350 employees work in 11 production halls in Flums. Roland Bartholet runs the business in the second generation. In 2009, Bartholet realized the first detachable 6-person chairlift in Val d'Isère. A huge milestone for the company. Many more constructions and other innovations have been built since then. Today, Bartholet has a state-of-the-art infrastructure at its disposal, guaranteeing a quick implementation of complex projects. One of the main reasons for the continuous growth is the tireless efforts to develop special custom-made solutions. Bartholet offers a wide range of articles and can revert to its waste experience. The new production hall in Flums, including the newly built showrooms, clearly show that Bartholet wants to proceed its future business with the same commitment.
Herzlich willkommen bei uns in Flums bei der Firma Bartholet Maschinenbau AG.
Welcome to Bartholet Manufacturing Systems Engineering SA in Flums, Switzerland. We are a small and medium-sized company's business and we are very proud of our products as well as of our employees which are able to manufacture our products in best Swiss quality and sell them worldwide. We will be pleased to gain you as a business partner, realizing some beautiful projects together.